Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. So in case you lost the old phone or you changed your phone and forgot about the Authenticator app, so that is a simple process of how you can recover it. Simply open or download this app Authenticator from App Store or Google and open this. And once you open this, you must sign in your Microsoft account. As you can see, I am already logged in with my account. And after that, simply click on three lines on the left side and choose setting. And once you go to settings, what you need to do is you need to make sure your iCloud backup is turned on. As in case you have any phones or passwords or numbers or whatever your data is. So if it is turned off, simply turn it on. And after that, you will recover all of your data. And in case you don't find it helpful, so what you need to do is simply go to your browser, Safari or Chrome, choose any and search here Microsoft support. Search this and on this page simply choose contact us, click on this, and here you need to sign in with your Microsoft account and contact them and they might be able to help you. So that is the only solution of how you can recover Microsoft Authenticator app without your old phone.